Hello, and welcome to the course. Are you ready to talk about content marketing? It's a buzzword. I know you know what it is, or maybe you use the word and you don't really know what it is. Content marketing is all about just creating useful content for potential buyers, customers, referrers, users, clients, everybody out there to find your business, to drive inbound traffic. So a lot of the stuff we're talking about in this course is outbound, meaning stuff you put out there to people telling them to come in. This is driving inbound leads for you. So higher intent, higher value leads, and content marketing is so powerful because it stays there forever. I use the analogy that content marketing is like throwing a bunch of bobbers or launching satellites into space. They just stay floating out there forever, and people stumble on them and come into your business forever. So it's massive, massive value, and that's why everyone says content is king or whatever other buzz term they're saying. It's true. It takes a lot of time to do it, but it stays out there forever. So that's why we put it into this course. It's a massive, massive, massive reward. And if you follow along here, you're going to learn how to hack all the different types of content marketing to get it done with less time investment and still get that return on your time investment. That's my goal from this whole course. So the first thing I want to talk about is all the different types of content marketing, or what different types of content, and then what makes content useful. How is it going to get that reward? Because unfortunately, a lot of early stage startups, they start out and they think, oh, we're making content, we're doing something, I think it's a good idea, but nobody finds it valuable and they get nothing from it and they stop after a month, and then that whole strategy goes to the wayside. So I don't want that to happen for you, and I've been doing content marketing for brands for a long time, so we're going to talk about some key points. The first thing is, it's not just blogging. Blogging blew up maybe 10, 15, or 20 years ago because it is the easiest type of content marketing. You can quickly write something and put it out. Twitter blew up because it's micro content. And Instagram's blowing up because beautiful visual content. But what else is there? There's podcasts, audio content. Put that out there. Think about that as a potential. There's video content. YouTube is now the #2 search engine in the world. Yeah, think about that for a second. More people search for things on YouTube than all the other search engines besides Google combined. So you need to be present there as well. So video content's also really important. Images can be shared more faster than anything and grab people's attention. So image content is also really interesting. Infographic. Maybe you don't have a huge story to tell, but you can leverage your data. Maybe you have access to something that people don't know about. You've got a report. If you're a B2B company, white papers, reports, downloadable, top this, top that sheets. Really, really valuable and really, really interesting. It'll have massive legs as your content strategy. So think about all the different types of content that you could create. With the workbook here below, you can write out the different ideas. I want you to brainstorm different content ideas and then pick one and start with that. But the key is to make sure that it's useful. It's not just something that you can do quickly and easily. Easy is not what you want with your content marketing strategy. The more time you put into the content, the more value that you give away, maybe for free even, the more people are going to love it and come back. Now, another thing is you want to kind of think of things that are search heavy. So is this content something that people are searching for? Because if so, then you're going to get more inbound traffic from it. People are going to be finding it. Don't worry about distributing the content yet. That's on the very last lesson in this module, where I'm going to teach you all the secrets to getting tons and tons of eyeballs on your content. Right now, I just want you to think about what is useful for your target demographic and what are the different types of content that you can create a long time, like not just one time. I want you to be consistent and persistent with this content strategy because what? It takes time. Like everything else with marketing, there is no quick fix. Paid acquisition is what moves fast, but we don't care about that right now. We're talking about building organic growth over time. So think about those different content marketing strategies, what's useful, what you can do, different mediums, test it out, and in the next lesson, we're going to go a little bit deeper. I'll see you there.